gorgeous day outside, so I want to make something quick and easy for supper so I can enjoy the weather with my kiddos. So I'm going to show you guys how to make these ham sliders. I really wanted you guys to see this recipe. Here's everything you need. King's Hawaiian rolls, ham, Munster cheese, butter, mayo, garlic powder, onion powder, and everything bagel seasoning. The first thing you want to do is slice your Hawaiian buns in half. Then you're going to spread mayo on the bottom of the buns when you put them in a baking pan. Then you're going to put a single layer of cheese on. Then you're going to put 2 layers of ham on top of that. Then you're going to put another layer of cheese on. Then you're going to want to melt some butter and put all your seasonings in and mix it up. Then you're going to put the top buns on and brush the butter mixture on top. You want to bake at 350 for 20 minutes. So here's one of the sliders. It's really delicious, and it only cost me $12 to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.